guys? Jordan here. You guys might know me from Instagram at JScatPack. I've decided to do my first YouTube video, and we're gonna see how that goes. So definitely tune in, subscribe, and let's have some fun. Peace. Damn, I wasn't expecting the snow right now. All right, time to get my jacket out of this guy. My trunk even opens. There we go. Sorry guys, we will not be taking her out today, obviously. And I know I got a lot of people who are gonna yell at me for not keeping her in a cage right now. But guess what? She likes the outdoors. That's how it is. This is the other baby though. It's the Silverado. We'll be taking him to work today. So let's go. What's up guys? We'll be heading to work today. I'll be heading to work. You guys get to enjoy your time home, doing whatever you gotta do. It's snowing out, so I don't even know what direction I'm gonna head in. What we got Google Maps for, right? Let's see what they tell me. 46 minutes, that's not bad. I hate going this way. What are they? They're silly gooses, aren't they? Alright, we'll be taking the streets to the 278. Let go. Oh, notice the glasses, they match my car. I'm not in the car, but we'll shoot a video with her one day too, don't worry. Ha! Alright, let's go. Shit! I forgot my water. Wait, did I? Oh, this ain't the water. I don't know how long this has been in the truck. Oh, but I'm gonna need it. Oh, great. I might die drinking that. I don't really know. Whatever. Alright, so like I said, this is my first time doing this. I would like to, go in depth. Have a lot of fun on Instagram. Posting pictures, making events, doing whatever. But when it comes down to it, you can only express yourself so much on Instagram. So I figure, let me branch out a little bit. Let me see what I can make happen with this. Do I think I'm going to take over the world? Absolutely not. Do I think I'm going to post this, put a follow on my Instagram, and tell people to come and check back in a day and have 12 views? Probably. I'm like, dude, I won't. I'm just making sure it's water. Hey guy, you're not cutting me off. I'm cutting everyone else off. Thanks. Gotta get to work here. Oh fuck. Wasn't paying attention to the green light. Yeah, got him. What I realized, there's no way that you can drive and have the most in-depth, consecutive conversation with no stopping, just going on and on and on. Not really. Why am I stopping at a green light? That's just what I'm saying. I can't even concentrate on talking and driving. This is gonna be bad. Oh boy. YouTube, you're not cut out for me. This may be my first and last video. And also, what do you do with the battery? I literally charged this GoPro battery up, turned it on, pressed the record button, and it dropped 1 bar. So I mean, you're probably gonna die in 10 minutes anyway. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go back, watch the entire video, right? Cut out any stupidity. If I had to cut out all my stupidity, I would have no videos. So actually, I'm not gonna do that. Alright, so what's up? My name's Jordan. I have an Instagram page, JScatPack. You may or may not have heard it. I started that account last January, middle of January 2016, and since then I've been an addict to it. The time I started it, I had recently bought a 2016 V5 Dodge Dodge Charger Scat Pack. So that had the 392 motor in it. I mean, that was a hell of a car. I love that thing. I got that car end of October. Yeah, I didn't really have any car guys that I was talking to that I knew, you know, that wanted to go to meets, that wanted to do this. I had a few, but literally, if you got 2 friends, everyone's working, it's not enough of a network. So a couple months went by, and I probably chose to do it at the worst time. I did in January. So I made my own Instagram account. It started off as New York City Muscle Car Meets. So it was for all guys, muscle cars, whatever. I started following everyone that I could think of that was in the New York area. Anyone that was related to cars somehow, New Jersey, New York City, Long Island, whatever it may be. And surprisingly, within a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, whatever, yeah, people started following me back. In work, I would go hide, go in the bathroom, sit on the toilet for 15 minutes, not even doing anything, just sitting there because I don't want to be walking around with my phone. And I'd just be following. And see who was following me, try to come up with a post to engage people. Yeah, and it was fun. And I got to express myself doing that. And sooner or later, I finally came across like a meet out in Long Island. As soon as I pulled into this meet, I had a few kids, no idea who they were, run up to me. Oh, yo, you got the B5 Charger, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I saw you on Instagram quick. I'm like, oh, really? It's like that. People actually saw my car. But, yeah, they saw my car. They were awesome. They were mad nice. We started talking, hanging out, and they invited me down to an underground garage in Long Island. I mean, there was some sick photos. There was one more 392. We had a kid who I'm cool with now, Mr. Joey Drifts. He had the white. So, you know, I was like, wow, this is pretty cool. And like, oh, I got invited to do something, take photos. This is pretty cool. So yeah. It turns out those kids, you know, he was running his own Instagram page, and I'm close to them to this day, and I'm actually in their group, it's Car Community. Most of you probably heard of it. It's on Instagram. If not, go check them out. It's just at Car Community. Yeah, they're an awesome bunch of guys, and they do meets all the time out on Long Island. You know, they sponsor all big events. So check them out. But yeah, just from that group, and I think it was the following week, they're like, yeah, we're setting up our own event. I'm like, really? That's cool. I kind of like that idea. So they started making the flyer, and on the flyer they used one of the pictures that we took at the underground garage. And it was a nice picture, so it was cool. We had the Audi R8, I think, in the front. We had the 2 392s out on the side. And like, this was my car on a flyer that was getting posted all over Instagram, thanks to them and their buddies and whatnot. And I'm talking, I just started with this stuff, so I didn't really understand it or know anything. I had maybe, what, 300, 400, 500 followers at the time. So to me, I was on like cloud 9. I'm like, oh, this is freaking awesome. So I ended up posting it on the Charger forums. And I got yelled at by the moderator that I like posted Instagram information or whatever. One guy actually reached out to me, and he said, you know what, I think I'm gonna come. Turned out he had the same exact Charger as me, B5. Find him on Instagram at Paradise LOL. It was this meet. We just ended up meeting a ton of Charger guys. From that point, I just started networking with everyone, and we just built a huge network. I mean, I started making my own event. I made my own event. Me and this other kid, so we came up with Times Square. We had all the cars meet up at the Javits Center. We're not like, we got a bunch of Mopar groups out there. I know we had Mopar Misfits, we had Team Move Over. This is New York City, and there's the snow. It's a beauty, ain't it? Brooklyn. Remember I said it was snowing yesterday, so here's the aftermath. of our little snowstorm. According to the weatherman, we only were supposed to have 1 inch. What's up? Alright, I'm gonna clean you off later, I guess. We'll just start you up. Damn, this thing got fucking hammered. Who wants to see my community drive? They say I have no reason for a truck. Well, I'll show you. Oh, we're gonna go off-roading right now. This is just to get out of my fucking yard every day. How do I get my Corvette out? In that. Simple answer, I don't. I'm gonna be stuck there for a while. Where we gotta go?
Taco and cheese.
Eating is the most important part.
I'm gonna get pancakes. I think. Well, actually, I think I want chocolate chip waffles, bacon, and an egg. Come on, assholes.
Beef in the ambulance? It's fucked
No,
up.
beef in that fuck. Taking a bowl.
Busted! Wait, we're going to eat first? Yeah, I couldn't find my boots. Wasn't ready for this. When you try to teach your dogs to be healthy. I could put my beer on top of it, I would think about it. But other than
That's
that,
the only one I would be getting.
cats will take over your life.
This is the.
You have 3 disastrous cats.
They're beautiful.
They're cute, but they're assholes.
They are absolutely.
Alright, we got checks on checks on checks. Time to deposit. This is my old quad. Fucking guy.
I'm like,
This used to be my quad right here.
I'm like, wait, was that ours?
What are you, delivering food on this?
No, I said I would.
You came here to ask them if they would let you deliver food.
Hot chocolate. They give me hot chocolate, dog.
You came here just for hot chocolate?
Yeah. Should have been asshole.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy it back from you. Yeah, what? Should I not eat here? Come on. Alright, we'll meet up later. I know. They just changed the name. This used to be Vicky's. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this. I don't know how I feel about this. No. You've just got like a glow of sun behind you right now. Yeah, your face is just like a light. Better. It's beautiful. At breakfast, she gets lunch. Chocolate. Alright guys, we're back home for the day. We did our errands. Now it's time to watch some football. Hope you enjoyed. Please do subscribe if you did enjoy the video. I got a lot more coming in the future. Peace out, guys.